Hi guys, it is Saturday night. I have so much grad school work to do. I just feel gross. I've been cleaning and decorating all day. It's about 7:30, so I'm going to take some time just to refresh for this evening and try to spend like the next 3 to 4 hours after my shower working on school stuff because I'm supposed to graduate in like 3 weeks and I just want to graduate. So there's some stuff I need to do. So I wanted to show you a few of the things that I got that I'm gonna use. So I wanted to pick up some holiday body care items and I found these at Target. We've got roasted chestnut and ginger by this brand called Beloved. I've seen this new brand at a ton of Targets, like I said. So I got the body cream and the body wash. It smells very like cozy. I thought it would be more gingerbready, but it's actually just like very cozy. A little hint of ginger, like a spice body wash and lotion. And then in the shower, I got this Tree Hut candy cane scrub. It smells exactly like candy canes, so I'm excited to use this. And then post shower, I might pop on one of these, which is a face mask that looks like a creepy ass polar bear. Coming for you, boo. Thoughts and prayers that I look better than this when I get out of the shower. So I just got out the shower. I feel like a brand new woman. I was showering and I did body lotion and body oil, and that candy cane scrub got my skin feeling brand new. I also used a new product in my hair. It's called Goddess Strength Leave-In Conditioner. It's supposed to help your hair grow long. My hair is definitely growing, but I'm trying to get long luscious locks. So don't look at my room. We can't. Let's go downstairs and set up ourselves for a good freaking night. How about that? And some studying. Lord, what a day. Wanna go downstairs? The sweet pup. Come on, let's go. It's kind of late. I was just gonna have hot chocolate, but I realized that would not be a good idea because I haven't had anything like substantial since lunch besides part of a coffee. So I'm gonna actually eat this shrimp fajita bowl. I prepped a bunch of these earlier this week. Y'all, put corn in your burrito bowls. I know, I thought I wasn't a huge corn fan. Next level. So I've got some pico. I put them in these little cups so that they don't get hot because I'm not a psycho. I'm not eating hot pico. Pop that in the microwave. Topping sour cream, cheese, and why does shredded lettuce always go bad so quick? So I'm gonna use this little spoon that I got. Oh my god, how cute is this? Got this from Walmart the other day, and I'm gonna use this and my Grinch mug, and I'm gonna make some hot cocoa to go with these delicious looking cookies. Chocolate chip cookies, like my favorite thing in the whole world. I'm also gonna I'm gonna sign up for remote coaching, like personal training coaching online, because I really do love lifting weights. I like working out actually, but I feel like I want like a plan because I don't lift weights enough. Anyways, I've got just milk in there, and then I got a peppermint mocha creamer from Califia Farms. I think that's what it's called. So I just put this in there. But if you join me, let's go to the hot cocoa station because I have one of those. Yeah, I do. Welcome to the hot cocoa station. This is good. Okay guys, I'll have some cookies, cozy up. But this was a great day of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely love when I have a little more time to do the Christmas vibes, but I will see you in the one tomorrow. Bye.